Hello again. This is the continuation of the presentation about case-based reasoning. So, what we have seen that CBR indicates the reasoning by reusing past cases is a powerful and frequently applied way to solve problems for human. And this claim is also supported by results from cognitive physiological research. In case-based reasoning system, expertise is embedded in a library of past cases rather than being encoded in classical rules. Each case typically contains a description of problem plus a solution and or also the outcome. The knowledge and reasoning process used by an expert to solve the problem is not recorded but is implicit in the solution. Case-based reasoning is liked by many people, like an expert, because they feel happier with the examples rather than conclusions separate from their context. So experts often find it easier to relate stories about the past cases than to formulate rules. A case library can also be powerful corporate resource, allowing everyone in a organization to tap into the corporate case library when handling a new problems. So how the CBR system is work? So mainly it starts with the knowledge base. So knowledge base contains a collection of representative cases, for example faults, if the system is concerned with fault diagnosis, and it also connected several features like symptoms, the causes, and also the outcome like treatment. So case-based reasoning favors learning from experience since it is usually easier to learn by retraining a concrete problem solving experience than to generalize from it. Still, effective learning in CBR requires a well worked out set of methods in order to extract relevant knowledge from the experience, integrate a case into a existing knowledge structure, and index the case for later matching with similar cases. So CBR process mainly focusing on two things. One is called feature and other one is called the similarities. To define a problem may involve simply notching its input descriptions, but often and particularly for knowledge intensive methods, a more elaborate approach is taken in which an attempt is made to understand the problem within its context. Unknown descriptions may be discarded or requested to be explained by the user. This is an structure that can provide to relevant features of a current case. And similarity between this set of features and the feature characteristics of each of the stored case is calculated and the best match is chosen. Finding a set of matching case is done by using the problem descriptor, that is like input features, as index to the case memory in a redirect or indirect way. There are in principle three ways of retrieving a case or a set of cases, which followed direct index pointers from the problem features, by searching an index structure, or by searching a model of general domain knowledge. Let's see an example how the CBR system is work, or what is the process of CBR system. Here in the picture you can see there are 5 cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 and 5, and all of these cases has 6 features. So you can see the numbers, the values for the features, there are 6 features. And then we have also one current case that is going to retrieve the solution. So here you can see the features are like 2, 8, 4, 7, 4 and 2, and for case 1 we have a 1, 3, 4, 7, 5 and 2. So now if we want to look similarity, then we can see the features here is number 3, that is 4, and number 4, that is 7, and then finally number 6, that is 2 is matched. So we can say that case 1 is matched with the current case by 3 features only. Now we need to go through all the cases. Let's see what happens. In case 2, we can see how many of them are matched. So feature 1 is not matched, feature 2 is not, feature 3 is not, only feature 4 here is matched, and not feature 5 and 6. So we can say here it is only feature 1 is matched. Similarly, we can go to case 3, and here you can see that feature number 3, 4 and 5 are matched. So 3 features are matched. When we look case 4, then we can see feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4 and feature 5 are matched. So out of 6, there are 5 have been matched. Finally, we can see also case 5. Here we have feature 3, 7 and 6 are matched. So 3 features are matched. So if we summarize this, then we can see that only case 4 is the best match among the other cases. So that is 4 feature matched from out of 6 features. So we have seen now how the features and similarity of CBR process is working.